Paano nga ba mag-graph ng vertical at horizontal lines? Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YouMore PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give you more. Narito ako para tulungan ka, natulungan ng sarili mong matuto sa pamamagitan ng math pinadali, math pinasaya, at math pina-exciting na mathematics lesson. Now, if you find this video helpful, please paki-click ang subscribe and also click the notification bell. And please do share this to your friends as well, your classmates, sa teachers, sa tita, tito, ate, or kuya, or kung sino mang may kailangan ng ganitong lesson. Alright? Without further ado, let's get to our discussion. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayong araw. So for today, we're going to discuss about graphing linear equation of the vertical and horizontal line. So last time, we have 3 topics about graphing. Paano mag-graph ng linear equation? Of course, lahat yun is straight line. So we started with using the table of values. Yung pangalawa, using the intercept method. Yung pangatlo, using the slope and y-intercept. So ngayon naman, kasi hindi natin na-cover, paano mag-graph ng vertical sa horizontal. So we're going to discuss how this is graphed. Paano kaya ito gina-graph? Okay? So let's have our examples. By the way, if you want to watch those lessons about graphing, so I'll just put that sa description box sa baba para makita ninyo yung mga lessons about it. Okay? So let's have this examples. Graph the following linear equations. We have x is equal to 3 for number 1. Number 2, x is equal to negative 5 for number 2. Number 3, y is equal to 2. And number 4, y is equal to negative 4. Ayan. So, dito sa topic na to, actually, we will not have any other computations. Mula dyan, i-compute. I-graph mo lang yan. As simple as that. Okay? So, that's why I'm not going to proceed anymore here sa PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to lead you doon sa ating graphing paper. Pupunta ka ng graphing paper para ipakita sa inyo yung mga graph nito. Itong 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ayan. So, allow me to leave here. Then let me go to my graphing paper now. Alright, so let's go to graphing. So as I have told you a while ago, kapag ganito yung mga type of question or when we are tasked to graph vertical o kaya horizontal line, we don't need to have any more solutions or any more computations. So usually ang given dyan ay x is equal to something or y is equal to something. So in this case, we are given x is equal to 3. Alright? So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan, you're going to graph a particular straight line. Siyempre, kapag linear equation, you have to expect that the graph would be a straight line. Okay? So, dito, so let me explain this by concept. Ang x is equal to 3. Ayan. So, baka kasi malito kayo na kapag sinabi ko, di ba alam natin ang x is the horizontal, tapos ang y is the vertical. Pero, actually, kapag ginraph mo itong klase ng equation na meron tayo ngayon, this will turn out na vertical ang kalalabasan. So, magka-contradict siya dun sa idea mo na ang x ay horizontal kasi ang graph nito ay vertical. Okay? So, I don't want you to think that way. So, what I want you to think is kung paano ito logically iniisip. Alright? X is equal to 3. Ang ibig sabihin lang yan, mag-iisip ka ng isang vertical line or ng graph kung saan dapat yung values ng x niya, lahat ng ordered pair na iisipin mo, na itatry mo, dapat ang x niya ay 3. Okay? So, let me do that. Eto yan. Okay? So, let me have my red ball pen. Okay? Ang x is equal to 3, of course, you're going to find it on the x-axis. Diba? So, nasan ba yung x? Sa x-axis, which is this horizontal. May x naman dun sa dulo. So, here. Ito yung graph niya. As simple as this. Okay? So, gagawa ka lang ng vertical line across dun sa 3. Or dadaanan niya yung mismong 3. Alright. Again, straight line, kung saan dadaan siya doon sa 3. Ayan. So, ganun lang naman ang graph niya. Again, gawa ka ng straight line, dadaanan mo yung x. Yung 3 na yan. Okay? So, don't think it as vertical, kasi baka maisip ninyo na, baka malito kayo na ang x ay horizontal kapag sa Cartesian plane. Okay? So, ganito natin siya isipin. So, basta kung ano man yung value ng x, daanan mo siya across it. Okay? Dapat across dun sa value na yun ang magiging line natin. So, kagaya niyan, 3. So, across that 3. So, mag-cross ka dyan, then lalabas yung graph ng x is equal to 3. Ito na actually ang graph ng x is equal to 3. Now, so logically speaking, sabi ko kanina, dapat kasi yung mga values dito, this is just additional. You don't have to do this anymore. So, para ma-explain ko yung concept. So, mag-try tayo ng mga points. Sabi natin kanina, lahat dapat ng x is equal to 3. Let's try this point. How do we name point? Diba? X muna followed by y. So, this is named as 3, 2. Tama? Yes, that's correct. So, 3 muna followed by 2. What about if I'm going to choose point from here? Yung tapat ng negative 5. Alright. If I'm going to name this, ano magiging name ng point? So, that is 3, negative 5. So, tapat ng 3, tandaan niyo ang ordered pair, kaya siya ordered, nauuna dapat yung x value or yung x coordinate. Kaya, inuuna natin yung 3, followed by the number dun sa y na tinamaan natin. Let's try another 2 points. What about this one? So, let's say, ito. We have 3, 4. So, tapat ng 3, tapat ng 4. Tandaan, x muna bago yung y. Let's have this one. This is 3, negative 3. So, 3 muna, followed by yung negative 3 sa y. So, sabi ko kanina, di ba? I told you na dapat yung line na bububuo natin, lahat dapat ng x coordinate, yung x value niya, ay 3. So, lumabas ba? Yes, lumabas. So, andito siya. So, we have 3 yung x, 3 din dito, 3 din dito, 3 din dito. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng x values niya ay 3. Actually, kahit anong extend mo dyan, kahit na anong values na i-point mo dyan, lalabas yung xi equal to 3. Alright, so that's why, ito yung graph ng ating line, which is x is equal to 3. Yung ating equation, which is x is equal to 3. Don't forget to name the line. Ayan. So, ganun lang. Graph ka lang, hanapin mo yung 3 dito sa x. As across that, yun na yung kanyang graph. Ayan, you don't need to do this kasi ito ay concept lang naman. Ibinigay ko sa inyo kung paano siya iniisip. Okay? So, that's for example number 1. Alright. So, let's try out naman yung second example. So, given tayo ng x is equal to negative 5. So, sabi ko dyan, you don't have to compute anything. Wala ka nang kailangan i-compute kapag ganito yung ibinigay sa inyo, yung x tapos may value siya. Okay? So, let me give you the graph of this one. Ganito lang siya. Alright? So, since x value ito, hanapin mo lang yung nasa x-axis. And that is found here. Kasi negative siya, dapat nasa left. So, andito siya. Negative 5. Okay? So, anong sabi ko? Paano mag-graph? So, mag-graph ka in such a way na yung x-axis makaka-form tayo ng pa-cross. Or, dapat daan mo yung negative 5 ng isang beses. Or across that, kaya ito yun, ito yung bubuo natin na graph. Ayan. So, kahit gaano kahaba, ikaw bahala. Basta don't forget to write arrowhead sa magkabilang dulo nung line. Okay? So, this is the graph. Etong red na straight line, yan yung graph ng ating second example. X is equal to negative 5. Okay? If you want to check, pwede kang mag-try it out ng mga points. Kunwari, ito. Diba? Kapag pinangalanan ko to, this is negative 5, 1. So, check tayo na negative 5 yung una. Kapag nag-proceed tayo sa 2, this will become negative 5, 2. Diba? Kapag dito naman sa 3, this is negative 5, 3. Kapag sa negative, ganun din ba? This is negative 5, negative 3. This is negative 5, negative 5. So, x is always negative 5. Alright. So, that's the graph for x is equal to negative 5. Kung saan yung value ng x, lahat ay equal to negative 5. May kulang pa tayo. Anong kulang? What do you think? Alright. So, kulang tayo ng name ng graph. So, the name of graph is x is equal to negative 5. Don't forget to always name the line. So, ang name niya is also the equation itself. Ayan. So, that's it. That's for number 2. Okay, so let's move to another example. So, we have y is equal to 2. So, ito yung given sa atin. So, for our 2 examples kanina, we focused on x. Paano naman kung y? Okay? Actually, ang graph nito is a horizontal line. Pero, as I have said, doon sa x, I don't want you to think that way. Kasi baka lang, I'm not thinking that way. Kasi, nakakalito siya kapag inihalo mo siya sa idea ng Cartesian plane. Kasi ang pinaka-importante is the Cartesian plane. Dapat alam mo na ang x ay horizontal, ang y ay vertical. So, that's very important. Ngayon, kapag ginawa mo, inisip mo ito, na ito ay horizontal, baka malito ka na, baka ilagay mo si y na pahiga, si x ang patayo. Okay? Ito kasi, we're talking about graph, and not the x and y axis mismo sa Cartesian plane. So, logically speaking na lang, isipin natin yan by logic. So, nasan yung y kung saan lahat ng y value niya ay 2. Okay? So, ito yan. So, kagaya lang din ng x, hanapin mo lang yung 2 sa y, andito siya. Tama? So, andito yung positive 2 sa y-axis. Now, kailangan yung y-axis makapag-form ka ng cross, or, in other words, dapat daanan mo yung 2. Daanan mo yung 2, in such a way makakapag-form ka ng cross. Ayan. Ayan. So, that's the line. This is the graph. Lagyan mo lang ng arrowhead. Lagyan mo lang ng name ng graph. Tapos ka na. Okay? Arrowhead. Tapos lagyan mo ng name. So, let's name this as, of course, the name would be the given itself. Y is equal to 2. Again, y is equal to positive 2. Alright. So, that's it. Ganun lang. Nasaan yung y? Then, drawing ka in such a way na dapat yung y-axis makapag-form ka ng cross. Diyan. Diba? Yung y, nakapag-form tayo ng cross. Ngayon, i-analyze natin. Paano malalaman na tama yung graph natin? Etong process ay para explain ko lang, pero you don't need to do this kapag nag-graph na kayo. Okay? So, i-prove natin na ang y values ng lahat ng dadaanan ng graph na to is 2. Okay? So, let's try this point. Anong pangalan kaya ng point na yan? This is, start with x. We have 3, 2. Tama ba? Yes. So, that is 3, 2. What about this point? Atong point na to. So, start ka sa x. X value is negative 2, y value is 2. So, sulat mo lang. Negative 2, 2. Right? So, that's it. Isa pa, hanap pa tayo para ma-prove natin na lahat dapat ay dadaanan. Ang sagot ay 2. So, let's have this one. Alright, so tapat ng 5. So, 5 dapat yung x natin. Okay? Pero yung y natin, tapat ay 2. So, that is 5, 2. Isa pa para mas maniwala tayo. This point. Alright, so that's negative 4, 2. Taas ka na ilalagay. Negative 4, 2. Ayan. So, let's check kung lahat nga ba ng y na lumabas ay 2. So, bibilugan ko lahat ng y. Ito ay 2. This one is 2. This one is 2. This one is 2. Tandaan yung y ay yung pangalawa. So, lahat ng dadaanan niya, lahat ng points dito sa ating graph, lalabas na yung y ay 2. Diba? So, therefore, ibig sabihin kasi nito, dapat yung mag-graph mo ay yung y, lahat ay value ay 2. Okay? Lahat dapat ng value ng y ay 2. So, this is the correct graph. Okay? So, ganun mo siya iisipin dapat. Mag-iisip ka ng line kung saan dapat yung lahat ng ordered pair, 2 ang kanyang y. Alright, so just like yung x, lahat dapat ng ordered pair niya, lahat ng x ay pare-pareho. Okay, so that's the graph for number 3. Okay, so we're down to our last example. Y is equal to negative 4. Okay, so ito yung ating i-graph. So, same thing lang din, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, hanapin mo lang yung negative 4 sa y, and where is that? Andito siya. So, ito yung negative 4 sa y. So, dito sa y-axis, kailangan maka-form tayo ng cross. Ayan, so this one. So, kailangan daanan mo yung negative 4 once. Okay? So, andito na siya. So, this would be the graph. So, I'm not going to do anymore yung pagtetest ng mga points. Kasi, proven na naman natin kanina na kapag dinaanan niya yung certain number sa y, ibig sabihin lahat ng y niya ay negative 4. So, this is now the correct graph. Ayan. So, turo mo lang siya. Then, you name it as y is equal to negative 4. Again, you name it as y is equal to negative 4. Ulitin ko. So, bakit sir naging ganyan? Again, hanapin mo dapat yung negative 4 sa y-axis. And that is found here. Tapos, dapat yung line na ma-form mo ay makapag-create ng cross in terms dito sa y. So, di ba naging cross na siya? Okay? Tapos, ayan. So, that's the graph. Lagyan mo lang ng arrowhead, tapos lagyan mo ng name ng graph, then tapos na ang usapan. As simple as that. Alright? Pero kung makakatulong sa inyo na iniisip na, ay, eto sir ay horizontal, tapos yung x ay vertical, you may do that. So, sinadjust ko lang yung gantong logical thinking kasi baka makalito sa inyo sa Cartesian plane. Kasi ito ang very important din, Cartesian plane. Kasi ito yung hindi nababago. Okay? So, dapat laging x ito, laging y yun. Alright? So, that's for our last example. So, let's have our YouMore drill naman. So, let me go back to my PowerPoint presentation. Alright, so let's have our YouMore drill. So, sana malinaw sa atin yung pag-graph. Okay? So, para mas matest natin, let's have our two YouMore drills. So, we have x is equal to negative 7 and y is equal to 6. Ayan. So, paano mo kaya ito i-graph? So, before I give you the time to answer, so make sure you have your ruler, your ball pen. Kung may graphing notebook o kaya graphing paper, much better. And if you have colored ball pen, much better. Para mas maayos yung graph natin. But if you don't have anything like that at home, then use whatever it is that you have. Kung ano man yung resources na meron ka, yun na lang ang gamitin ninyo. Okay? Alright? So, I'll pause for a while now, and I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. Ayan. So, let's see how you did sa ating YouMore drill. So, let me go back to my graphing paper para ipakita sa inyo yung graph nitong dalawa. Alright, so let's see how you did sa ating YouMore drill. So, I hope meron kayong graphing paper o kaya may colored pen o kaya ruler. Pero kung wala, kung anong available resources dyan sa inyo, if you have your notebook, if you have your pencil or ball pen, whatever the color would be, or kung anumang straight edge na pwede niyong gamitin. So, sana ginamit niyo yan para makapag-create ng graph nito. So, we have x is equal to negative 7. So, diba? So, hanapin mo lang yung x na negative 7. So, where is that? Nasa left. Andito siya. Okay? So, ito yung x na negative 7. So, kailangan dito sa x-axis, makapag-form tayo ng cross. Okay? Or, isipin nyo na lang din na dapat daanan ko yung negative 7 ng isang beses. Okay? Ayan. So, dinaanan ko yung negative 7 ng isang beses. So, this is now the graph. As simple as that. Napakadali ng vertical and horizontal. Okay? So, wag mo lang kakalimutan kung anong itsura ng graph niya. So, name this as x is equal to negative 7. Okay? So, congrats kung nakuha mo ito. You tell me kung nakuha mo yan for me to congratulate you. Okay? Alright, so let's have yung pinaka-last natin, which is y is equal to 6. So, ang technique lang, hanapin mo yung y sa hanapin mo yung y na value ay 6. Andito siya. Nasa taas, of course. So, again, dapat yung y, tapos yung graph na mapo-form mo, makapag-form ng cross. Alright? O, diba? Ito yung y. So, yung cross ang ifo-form natin. So, straight line, dapat dadaan ka sa 6 ng isang beses. Ayan. And, tapos ang usapan, ito ang graph. Daanan mo yung 6 ng isang beses. Okay? So, you name it as, kung ano man ito, that's y is equal to 6. Again, y is equal to 6. Okay, congratulations kung nakuha mo yung number 1, saka yung number 2. Ayan, you tell me kung nakuha mo yan. And if not, tell me kung saan kayo nagkamali para ma-correct natin. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned a lot today. And I want to see you in our next video. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned and enjoyed our lesson for today. And if you did, wag na wag kang aalis nang hindi ka nakakapag-subscribe and nakakapag-click ng notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga videos natin na mga susunod pa. Alright? And also, let me remind you again that you deserve more, you can learn more, and you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye. See you in our next video.